Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about VLOOKUP formula. So let's open an Excel workbook and you can see I have already prepared two tables are here. This first table is highlighting the buyers, family members who have bought certain things and what is they have bought and what is the amount which they have spent on this. And in the second table you can see the same family members have bought the same item and the date is been given. So now using VLOOK formula, we will bring these values from here to this chart so that we will be able to interpret it properly. So plus equals to, or straight away you can take the formula from this FX tab, click VLOOK. Now the first value in VLOOKUP is VLOOKUP value is the value to be found in the first column of the table and can be a value, a reference or a text string. So here I am looking for this particular value. I can align it with this value also, but you can see there are two times this value has been repeated, or this value has been repeated two times. So if we align by this value, then in VLOOKUP by default only the first value will come, the second will not come, so it will fetch error. That's in comparison to that, here you can see there is no repetition is there, no common item is there, so it will be better to use this chart for the lookup value. Then second is table array, means from where you want the figure to be extracted. So here is the table from where I want the value to be there. Then column index number. So in the chosen table, which column represents the value which you want to bring it here. So column number 2, this is column 1, this is column 2. So from column number 2, I want the value to come here. Then range lookup. Now range lookup is a logical value to find the closest match in the first column. We need to put true, and if we want an exact match, we need to put false. So we have to put false because we are looking for exact match only. And you can see the value has come here. The entire values have come here, even though these are not in the proper alignment, but you can see the proper values have come here. Similarly, let us try to do it by using the first column, how it is going to impact. So amount, I'm just trying to let you know that if in the table two or more common values are there which we are looking up, then how it is going to fetch error. So select, this is the one, and table array, here we have to select the entire table. Then column index will be third, 1 2 3, so third, and range lookup is false. Now when I press it, you can see the first one is matched, but what is happening with this one? Here also it has matched. Generally it fetches error, this time it is matching, so okay. But then daughter, you can see, here you can see the daughter is 3200 is not here. Here two windows have come, daughter 200 and some daughter 200. So dress which the daughter has bought for 3200, here it is showing dress for 200. So this is the error. This error will be fetched when you use VLOOKUP, when the fields are having common entries. So it is always better that you sort it in ascending or descending order, some particular order, and remove the common entries or change the nomenclature of those common entries so that you can realign it properly. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.